Hi there, this is Fixed It. This is an unboxing of Ugreen Bluetooth audio transmitter and receiver. I don't like using a lot of cables because I tend to get tangled up when I'm doing things. I've been after a small transmitter and receiver for some time. So let's just open this one. Inside we've got this small Bluetooth transmitter and receiver, and it's roughly the size of my thumb. Along with that, it's got a USB-C connector, it's got a switch for transmit and receive, and it's got a push button. Let's push it for a second, see if it comes on. Yes, it does. It's flashing red and blue. Let's turn that off. I don't like to use these things until they're fully charged. That's turned off. I take it this is going to be a small USB-C cable, and then also in there is a detailed set of instructions in multiple languages, as is always the case these days. Please subscribe to the channel. There are over 900 videos to choose from. Every one of them is really good and well tested, and there's lots to look at and some great money saving household tips. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.